Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to link TikTok shop to TikTok account. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok shop account, which of course I have done right here. Now I'd like you to note that with TikTok, you can TikTok shop rather, you can tap into TikTok's vibrant, engaged global community to build your business and turn discovery into purchase. It means you can literally grow your business with TikTok shop. So launch in the browser of your choice and look at the search bar. In the search bar, type TikTok shop and further with the on-screen prompts to create your account in the TikTok shop website. After creating your account, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in TikTok shop. Now that we're here, let's learn how to link TikTok shop to TikTok account. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have this icon here. So click on that. And you have this extended menu that says My Account, Time Zone, Logout. To select My Account, you have a further extended menu that says Seller Profile, Account Settings, Link TikTok Account, and Contract Center. So go ahead and click on Linked TikTok Account. That takes you right into this window where you have the Official Account and Marketing Account tab. So let's say you want to link your official account. This is a TikTok account that officially represents your shop on TikTok, and your official account is automatically granted permission for e-commerce live and videos, so sales can be generated directly by the account. It will also be the TikTok account where your ads will be displayed. You can even head over to marketing account tab and link your marketing account. So let's say official account. So go ahead and click on your benefits. You can read that up if you want to. So go ahead and click on link an official account. You have these instructions that you need to follow. That the TikTok account holder must be at least, and the status of TikTok account must be normal. TikTok account region must be the same as the shop region. You have more instructions that you need to read. And TikTok account must not have any violation history. And the account will also be the TikTok account where your ads will be displayed. So head over to TikTok. You need to open your TikTok. Now on TikTok, open profile, then tap the top right button and select my QR code. Once you do that, tap scan and scan this code that is displayed here. Then click on confirm the link. Please use the latest version of TikTok app to scan the QR code. The code expires in 5 minutes. Now refresh the QR code if it has expired. So that's it. So go ahead and launch your TikTok application using your mobile phone. And once you click on that, click on your profile icon. And once you click on profile icon, go ahead and click on profile. Then at the top right button, click on the top right button and select my QR code and scan this code. Once you scan this code, go ahead and click on confirm link. After clicking on confirm link, that's going to be it. Your TikTok account is going to be linked to your TikTok shop account. That's pretty much the process. As you can see, it's quick and easy. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.